In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to use the Pretty Links plugin in WordPress. The Pretty Links plugin is an awesome tool to manage links in WordPress. Instead of just pasting a long affiliate link, you can use the Pretty Link plugin to create custom, memorable links instead. To do this, first you need to install and activate the Pretty Links plugin. I've already installed it, but if you need help installing a plugin on your website, we have a video explaining how to install a plugin. I'll link it in the description below. If you notice, you can see the Pretty Links icon on your dashboard. Go to the icon and click on Add New. Now, I'll create a custom link that'll redirect the viewer to the FixRunner service page when they click on the link. So first, just give this link a title so you can remember what this link is for. In the redirection, you have three options: the 307 temporary, 302 temporary, and 301 permanent. I'll come back to this. Now, in the target URL, enter the destination URL here. And in the Pretty Links option, here we will create the custom link. Since I'm linking to the FixRunner Services page, I'll name this link Services. In the notes, you can add additional notes for this link. Now in the redirection. These can seem a little confusing, but basically the 307 temporary and the 302 temporary redirects are for the links that are still active links that people are going to be using. And you'll use the 301 permanent link if the link you're linking to is not used anymore, and the one you are creating will be the official link. So I'll select the 302 temporary link. Then in the advanced settings, you don't need to do anything here. So finally, click on Update. And here you can see the link was created. This is where you can see how many times the link was opened. So I'll just open a new tab and enter the URL we just created. And you can see it redirects to the FixRunner Services page. And if I reload this page now, you can see the clicks are now 1. You can go to clicks under Pretty Links. And here you can see how your links are performing. This is how you can use the Pretty Links plugin in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.